Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over how to control the customer notifications on your Shopify store. So when your customers interact with your store, they place an order is fulfilled, an order is delivered. There are different notifications that are going to be sent out from your Shopify store automatically, but you do have control over the information that's shared in those notifications, and we're going to show you how to work on that today. So from the Shopify admin, go to settings and go to notifications. So up here, you can control the email that is being used to contact your customers. So up here, we have our info at Bluesoft Design email address, but if we decide to change this to support, we would need to verify that email, but we can just update it here, click save, and that would update the sender email. So down here, we have the different categories of notifications that are sent out. So we have our customer notifications, we have order notifications or staff notifications. So information that gets sent out to staff members when a new order is created. We have fulfillment service provider notifications. So if you have any fulfillment members that have special permissions on the store, you can control specific notifications for them. And you have webhooks, which is really more intended for developers in space. So clicking on a category of notifications, you have the breakdown over here. So you have notifications around order processing, local pickup, local delivery, gift cards, order exceptions, payments, point of sale orders, shipping updates, and you have a few toggles over here. You can do order out for local delivery, order local delivery. So these are confirmations when the item is out for local delivery, when the order was delivered, and when the delivery was missed. So these are specialized notifications. So if you have a notification that you see that you want to work on, you can click the arrow and you'll see a preview of what the notification looks like. You can send yourself a test notification. So you can do that by just clicking the send test button. It'll say that it's sending it to your email address and click send. And you have both an email version and an SMS text version that you can preview over here. You also have the option to deactivate the SMS notifications. You can do that over here. But if you wanted to go ahead and edit the notification, it does require being a little bit familiar with coding in HTML, but you can edit that code over here and find that text somewhere in this line of code. So if you're looking for something specific, so for example, here's order summary title, you can change that, but you can edit the code over here to control the specifics of the wording. So there's also the top level. So over here, you can customize the top level specifics of your email templates. So if you want to add in your logo, you can add that in over here. So let's say we add in our logo and we want to make our logo size large, and we can add an accent color. So if we change that, now we save it. Now our logo's here, our accent color is changed, and those are some of the basics that we can do with the top level customizations. But that's how you would edit and control the notifications that get sent out on your Shopify store.